Not impressed.
Welcome back to another video. I appreciate you guys checking this one out again. But today, I just figured I'd get out there on the open roads and, you know, just get some POV driving at nighttime action. See if I could get some cool stuff. With this stupid virus thing going around, the road's been dead. So I figured why not just go out there and enjoy it. So, and what do you know, I get stuck behind somebody, but it is what it is. I'm gonna try to throw a couple clips together and see what I can come up with. Hopefully I can make a decent video, so bear with me here. I'm gonna have some cool videos coming soon, and I hope everything works out for that, but has to do with weather and, you know, people's schedules and stuff like that. So if everything works out for the best, I'll have better content coming soon. So bear with me, guys. And you know I can't do anything without stopping here. Gotta love it. That pump gas life. 93, baby. This thing looks so good under these lights. If you don't like gas station lights, are you even a car guy? Come on now. Whew. But yeah, it's a gorgeous night out here. It's about 63 degrees is what that says. I don't know, but beautiful out. I'm in shorts and a t-shirt, windows down, just cruising. Car feels great. If you guys haven't, make sure you click that subscribe button. Hit that like button for me. It helps me out a lot. Felt good. Still spinning, but nah, it felt good. You can still hear the blow-off valve. I hope that the GoPro picks it up. But yeah, this is the tile teal, whatever you want to say, the tile Q 50mm. Now, when I bought the A&A kit, it came with the race port from Turbo Smart, and it sounded good, but it just wasn't nearly loud enough for me. I like that obnoxious whooshing blow-off valve sound. So I upgraded to the tile and it's been great. I love it. It's not too obnoxious, but it's perfect for me, and you can hear it all the time. So it works really well. So I enjoy it. So if you have an A&A kit on your Vet, well, mainly your LS7, because I have a 4-inch pulley on this thing, so it's barely making any boost, and holy shit, that was a deer. And wow, I'm glad I missed that. There would have went that whole ZR1 front lip. Holy shit. But anyway, I don't even know what I was saying. Yeah, but if you have an A&A kit, check out the Tile 50, the Tile Q 50mm blow-off valve. Definitely worth the money. Easy swap too. So check it out. And I just remembered, like an idiot, that I have the wrong GoPro case on. So I can't do the front bumper, but hopefully you guys can hear it from the head strap. And I love that. I love it. Call me what you want, but I love it. It's super loud when you're on the highway and like you start downshifting and rev matching and everything, and especially when you shift, obviously. I think it's one of the best parts of the car. I love centrifugal superchargers. I mean, I love all superchargers, but man, these things just sound so cool. Like Pro Chargers, they have that notorious whistle. I love it. That's the only thing I wish. I wish this V3T head unit had the straight cut gears or whatever they're called, and just have that loud aggressive whistle at idle. I mean, you can still hear mine, but it's nothing like a Pro Charger. But yeah, I'm gonna take off right here, see if I can get a little yeah, I just wanted to say I appreciate you guys checking this video out if you actually stayed till the end. But please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and let's see if we can get me to 1,000 subscribers. But I appreciate all the support, all the nice comments, even the bad ones, whatever. But thanks for everything, guys. I appreciate it, and I'll catch you next time.